Hey guys, PJ Magoo here, and I'm using a lefty stick this time, so it's going to be more hard. Sam Scully, I thought you were using a mask.
No. That was too small. I need too big.
Oh! I'm eating a cough now because I have like the worst cough in the world. Literally. Right, Sam? Oh! No! If I was in righty style, I probably would have gone in. No, it's too quick. Yes!
Say it.
1 minute exactly, I scored that goal.
Whoa!
Oh, that was sick.
Now we also hit the camera.
That was sick. Oh. No! Oh! That went, Sam, this is what a little bit. It hit your 5 foot, then it rolled like this.
Wow. Stop.
Oh! Crossbar!
One from mom.
Oh! Where'd that hit you? No! Oh! Oh! God, stop poke checking! No!
Dude, I can poke check. You did it to me and I wasn't complaining.
Poke check it every.
Dude, that's what boys do. Yeah, that's my down. Dude, I wasn't complaining when you poke checked me.
This is starting to hurt. You're using lefty. Oh, duh.
I didn't feel that.
Yes. No, that's so went in.
That did.
That's so went in.
What's it?
That went in.
What was the score?
2 goals.
Oh, I'm kind of going to be scoring today. I'm going to be small today.
I'm gonna upload a video today. No!
I might play with Snowstorm today.
And Sniper 94. Sam is not bad at hockey. Get that? He's not. I'm serious. Don't bully him, or next time I'll bully you. Saying that you suck at hockey. Dang it. Alright. Seriously, Sam. I didn't poke check that much.
Yeah, I should poke check one. Oh, come on.
It's too hard. God, this feels so much better. Oh, that one mess. Oh. have his own YouTube channel?
No.
He just uses Dale Hockey 00.
He doesn't even go on YouTube.
Yes. Top shelf. It's been like 6 minutes, I bet. 5 minutes, 30 seconds. Oh! That one went straight in if it didn't hit that. Well, I'm pretty sure that one was easy. No! What a save!
A head save.
Yeah. No! No!
No, Jake.
Yeah.
Does he even have his own YouTube account?
No. Why'd you ask?
No. Do you know like Pip or Nikki has one?
Here's what?
You know who Pip or Nikki have one?
I know.
You do?
I do not know.
Huh.
No! How lucky are you? I could have already had like 15 goals. Sorry.
That was kind of funny.
I only have 3.
Shin pads, meet your new owner. Owner, meet your new shin pads. Okay?
That's good.
Your other ones were 8 inches, those are 9 inches, and they're thin too.
8 inches. Oh. Hey. Can you just let me score?
No.
Thank you.
I'm not gonna let you score. Dude, you have to play the game.
I know.
Oh!
No.
I remember Nikki, I was covering him in football. He's like, he goes to cover someone else. I never get past. I'm like, sorry, that's how you play the game.
What did he say?
It's like, can you go cover someone else? I never get past you. I'm like, sorry, how the game goes.
I know. You don't have to get a touchdown every single day, Nikki. On your head.
Dang it! I always do this.
Right. Oh! It gets robbed! Oh, I was wasting too much time. Oh! How fast am I shooting? Almost. Oh! Sam.
Dude, just let it still.
Wait, did that go in?
No. Oh, dude, just let it still. Fine.
Because you had that. Yes!
What score?
5. How long has it been going for? 9 minutes!
It's okay. It's under the Zoom.
Oh, really? Oh, because you had a bad jib. Oh my god. Because you had a bad jib. Can you just like no? Oh, yeah.
Okay, so for the game.
Listen, I know how to play hockey. I do. Oops.
You too, Patrick.
I know, Sam.